When you think about from a recruitment wise, pick a motion as an example. Because in every existing run rate business, you have products that are dying, products that are growing, and you have something in between. And products that are growing, chances are you are possibly looking for new partners. So if you go through an example, when you are discovering where do you fit in the solution? Are you the burger, are you the fry, or are you the Coke in that meal? How do you pick, how do you target, how do you recruit? Because if you're the burger, you have one velocity. If you're the Coke, you have a different velocity. How do you recruit partners in a motion?
Yeah. First of all, I think when you're building on an ICP, and ICP is, that terminology has been around for a while, and it's gotten hot the last few years, and now it's kind of getting cold again. We're supposed to be more dynamic. But ultimately, you're looking at the end customer, try to uncover what that end customer in your ICP really looks like, right? And you're trying to understand what their fundamental pain points are, where you can solve those challenges, and the peripheral challenges that you can solve with partners. That's a perfect world. And it is becoming table stakes to come to the table to solve solutions for customers with multiple tools, not just your own. And so you start with this kind of outside-in listening. I think Michelle McBain referenced it. Really go down to the marketplace and understanding what your customer is demanding, what they're looking for, and fundamentally how you solve that, and the partners that can help you solve kind of a broader set of challenges. That's where you've got to examine and build these kind of 3 and 4 party plays, because the market is frankly demanding that at this point. Everybody's concerned at the customer level, the buyer level at this point. Everybody's always concerned about who you integrate with. And so you got to solve some of those challenges ahead of time, and having the right stable of partners in a multi kind of party play is ultimately the most effective way to go in my estimation.